In the misty dawn of the Isle of Berk, Hiccup and Toothless embark on their extraordinary journey. Their first encounter ignites a bond that reshapes their world. As darkness looms in the form of new threats, they rise as legendary leaders, aided by their dragon companions, Stormfly, Meatlug, and Hookfong. Through volcanic battlegrounds and hidden caverns, they discover the Light Fury and the elusive Dragon Realm. In their final flight, an emotional farewell reveals the depth of their friendship, etched in the skies forever. Link in description.